Okay, now from the holes in my exhaust, it melted these things. I've straightened it out a little bit using my desoldering station, and I've still got to get it so that it will sit with this edge flat. I've got it down quite a bit, but there's still a bit of a gap in there. I had to heat bejesus out of that to get it to come off of here, and I'm in the process of printing myself another one. I'm doing it in 2 pieces because when I did a trial run, there was absolutely no support for any of this area. So the clip works sort of, but it's not as nice as I would like it to be. And I also bodgered up where the holes go. Seems to be everything I print, I do one as a trial. And then I get it right the next time around. But yeah, 66 cents worth of plastic, not a big deal. So I'm going to carry on straightening this out. These are marker lights for 91 Miata, by the way. And then I'll join things together. Now the reason I'm doing this is because I ordered some off Amazon, and they were absolute garbage. There was no left and right. There was ambidextrous supposedly, but the socket portion aimed in different directions, whether you put them on left or right. And the fitment was horrible. They stuck proud at the body rather than being slightly recessed like the stock ones. So I sent those back, and I'm going to have to work with what I got. Because you just can't seem to find them. Well, I'm going to call that close enough, and once the part's printed, I'm going to clamp and glue it and see what happens. And because there's a thick and thin side, I had to go out and check and make sure I'm putting it together the right way. Otherwise the pins won't line up with the body, and things will go backwards, or they won't go at all. So Now we need to glue it together. Make sure I don't spin these around and get it on the wrong way. Just make sure there's no leak points. I have to clamp it because it's not perfectly straight along there, so it has to be squeezed together. And we'll let that set for a while. But basically, that should be a done deal. Okay, this is some of the where it got melted from the muffler and the rear marker light. Now I've rebuilt it, but I found out that the pins aren't exactly right. So I was measuring from the front marker, so I'm guessing that the pins are a little bit different. So we got to do something about that, and I'm just going to cut the pins off. And that's the fit. Once I file those pins off completely, it should fit down a little bit more recessed, but yeah, that's looking a lot better than what the Amazon ones did. They were sitting way proud. Okay, hope this is helpful.